Welcome to my class today. My name is Vicaro, and today we are going to talk about the magic of content aware. Let's go there. First, let's define it. Content aware features in Adobe. Content aware fields. These two allow you to remove unwanted objects or element from a photo by selecting the area you want to remove the object from, then letting Photoshop automatically generate and fill in the missing content based on the surrounding pics. It is useful for retouching and removing distraction. Okay, let's go there. First and foremost, you drag in your image. This might be the best shot you have, and this is the only shot you have. So you can't just give your client this picture just like this, because look at this line. This line is stealing your attention from the object, the image. This woman here is stealing another attention from your object or image. This flower here is stealing attention from your image. Likewise, the table. Let's go there. First and foremost, you come to your lasso tool. Come to polygon lasso tool. Okay, you pick like this. Let's first do this. First thing first. Come to content aware. You right click, you come to fill, you come to content aware. Let's wait for a while. Boom, it has removed the woman. You can see now the attention is on the image, and this table is still stealing some attention from us, from your eyes. Okay, let's go. Table. Come to edit me, or you press possibly shift F5. It will give you the same result, but do it the way you understand. Click content aware. Boom. Let's see the result. I just wait. Yeah, you can see the result now. You can see the result. Okay. Oh, sorry. Content aware. Oh, just edit. Fill. Content aware. Boom! Done. Let's see before and after. See now, before and after. In just few minutes, friends, we are done. Please, I encourage you to practice, because practice made perfect. Please don't forget, if you are inspired by this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let your friends know. Thank you. See you next time.